Hey, boys and girls. Okay. Sorry I had to stop and go open the door. Um, let's go back to this sentence. He is going to look again. So what is your word from the high frequency words? So the word again is the same here. So that's one of our sight words. And then the last one, will he find her? And find is one of our sight words. Okay. So one thing they want you to do is to write and copy the words on the line from each, or I can't see, and form each letter correctly. So pick a sentence that you want to write on the line. You can practice the last one, or you may be the first one or the second one and try to write it on the line. I know they didn't give you a lot of space. So those are our um, pages that you're working on this week. Remember, we're working on letter O, the ah sound, and the O sound. Also, we'll be working on the story that looks like this. And I'll make a video that will go over some of the things we need to focus on for our story that's about changes in cars. Let's see if it will pop up for you. Okay, and so just practice reading. Cars are always changing, and I'll make a video for us um, to start looking at things to do, looking at things that are changes in our world. And so we'll be working on different things they want us to focus on. So I'll make a video for that. So have a good day.